Hi everybody, this is Clash Masters Vlog. So right now I'm gonna play with slime. So I'm gonna show you my slime. Nope. It's not here. Wait, oh yeah. So I'm gonna show you my slime. It is. So I'm gonna show you. Here it is. Found it. So today I'm gonna show you how is my big slime. I'm gonna show you right now. So look, this is my next slime. Oh my god, I better put the sleeves up. Forgot. And then here, this is the most sticky thing. I'm gonna show you. And here's the other one. Look how big. And then I know my other slime, but I need 1 million subscribers. And I'm gonna do free, and I'm gonna make, and then I'm gonna give away some slime. Yay, slime giveaway. Only if I get 1 million subscribers. And smash, and also subscribe, and turn notifications on, and put big thumbs up. Boom! Shakalaka. So look at my big fluffy slime. You wanna see? Look. This big fluffy slime. Okay. Look. And my puppy. I'm gonna go show you guys my puppy. I'm gonna show you my puppy. My beautiful puppy. My puppy! Where are you? Found you. Found you. Say hi to the subscribers. Say hi. Hi! Whoa, she said hi. Oh, ah! Ow. Just kidding, I was just acting. That was act. Okay, so look at my beautiful puppy. She's gonna show you who's the master. Why? He's crazy. So let's continue back to that slime that we're seeing. Okay. So, oh, this floppy, sticky slime. Ooh, this slime. Oh my goodness. So, we can smash potato. Mashed potato. Mash potato, mash. I'm gonna come back in a second. Ah! I'm fine. I'm okay. What are you doing here? Nope. Okay, let's continue the line. This is like mashed potato. Mashed potato. I keep on forgetting why. Oh, I keep on forgetting. Look at this floppy. Flap. Yep. Those of you that you know Dan TDM and Corey Kenshin Shine and also Jacksepticeye and also Guava Juice and Wasabi Production. Those are the ones that I know. And also Dan TDM. And before it was funny because he said like, Dad! And this is the same thing like like I used for the same thing I used for that green slime in the previous video. And this is the bigger one because I put more glue, and that one a little bit glue. So, but I mixed it a little bit of this. I mixed more glue. I put 2 glues in the bottle, and this how it got. Look how stretchy. It's so stretchy. It's like, I don't know. But this slime is the best. It's actually real slime. But it's actually more fluffier than the other ones. Drip. Drip. So, I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so it's because I want to see my puppy, what she's doing. And I saw her and she was crazy. Because, oh my goodness, so fluffy. Look, I made a bunny ear. Ew. I'm Superman. So make sure to smash that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Smash. And those of you that love Dan TDM, I'm a new YouTuber. And this is my second vlog. So like that, no, this is my second vlog of slime. And that part was to be continued because I did not put it to continued. And this is what it is. Oof. It actually smells good. It smells like washed Tide. So, bye everybody. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. And bye everybody. Bam. Oh yeah.